Looking for an easy way to clean graffiti or marker off your portable toilets? Try J&J's Graffiti Removers. J&J offers two graffiti remover products, Art Blaster and Graffiti Blaster. Art Blaster is J&J's most popular graffiti remover that is water-based and will easily remove paint and marker while leaving behind a protective sheen with a green apple scent. This protective sheen renews the finish on your portable toilets to protect it from future graffiti. When using Art Blaster, spray the area needing to be cleaned and allow it to penetrate for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once the 3 to 5 minutes is up, spray the spot again and use either a dry cloth or your Art Blaster sponge to wipe the spot down until it is clean. Art Blaster is the perfect graffiti remover for your drivers in the field and can be bought in many different sizes. Graffiti Blaster is J&J's gel-based graffiti remover that is formulated to eliminate the more difficult, baked-in graffiti problems. When using Graffiti Blaster, first shake it well, then spray the area needing to be cleaned. Wait about 1 minute for the formula to activate, and then use a dry cloth or your Art Blaster sponge to wipe the spot down until it is clean. Graffiti Blaster is the perfect graffiti remover for your yard. It makes removing the most impossible graffiti possible. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-345-3303 or 706-743-1900 or email us at info@jjportable.com.